Greetings, greetings. Yes, you're here again with Chef India Camiel from Back to Live by Chef India. And we have changed locations yet again, but we are still picking up where we left off. And as part of our Thank-Filled Tuesdays here at Back to Live, we share with you a free recipe, or I don't like to say free, because nothing in life is free, but a complimentary recipe. So it's our way of saying thank you for following us, thank you for watching our YouTube videos, thank you for going to the website, thank you for purchasing items, your books, and all your resources when it comes to being a living foodist, a raw foodist. So usually the post is just a standalone post that has some information on it, the ingredients and the directions, but I thought it would be really cool to actually make a recipe right before you, and you can try it and let me know how you like it, and next Tuesday you could comment on the photo and everything like that. So we are not going to delay. We are going to get right into it. It is a juice. I love juices. I don't know if anyone knows me, they know that I love juices, right? So I'm going to start with a juice that is going to bring an alkalinity to my gut, reduce inflammation, and also help me have more bowel movements, which are great, right? So what I have here, we are going to make a green grape, passion fruit, pineapple, mustard green juice. The mustard greens are going to provide like an anti-mucus effect, and the green grapes are going to add a little bit of acid. It is an acid fruit because they are sour grapes. And then we have the lime as well, which is also acidic. And we have the pineapple, which is also acidic. And we have the passion fruit, which is also acidic. So even though they are acidic fruits, they will produce an alkaline effect on the goodie, right? The pineapple contains, I think it's pronounced bromine or bromelain, right? It's one of the most powerful digestive enzymes that you can find outside of papain, which is found in papaya. And then the green grapes are actually one of the only fruits that have a significant amount of protein. Now, whether green grapes or red grapes have more protein, I prefer my grapes to have seeds, but that's what we have today, and that's what we're working with, right? And then we have our mustard greens, which I've already shared with you, is going to help to bust up any mucus in the goodie that needs to come out. And then we have our passion fruit, which is actually an essence, right? It's an essence, and it actually looks like the ovaries, and I love passion fruit. And in fact, usually when I'm detoxing, I'll do just a passion fruit shot just by itself, and it always releases releases waste from my female reproductive system, which is another reason why I love it so much. So we're gonna get right started, okay? We have everything already cut up. We have about 1 cup of greens, and we're using a semi-masticating juicer today, right, to juice these. I'm just going to add everything into the plate there. And we're going to juice it together, that except for the lime and the passion fruit. We're going to juice the grapes, which is about 2.5 cups of grapes. You could use red grapes if you want to, and preferably seeded. And we have about 2 cups of pineapple, 1 cup of mustard greens, organic, okay, locally grown here in Belize. And when you're juicing this, what you want to do is with the greens, if you're using a masticating juicer that's not a full masticating juicer, which is the Champion, you want to ball up the greens. If you're using a centrifugal juicer, you would probably want to juice the pineapple, the juicy things first, and then add the greens to a blender and then strain it. I love this juice because I love sweet and sour together. And this is a perfect combination of sweet, sour, and that little horseradish kind of spiciness as well. It gives it a different kind of vibe, right? We're gonna run our pulp twice. Now, also, I do strain my pulp through my nut milk and juice bag that I create. I do sell them online, but they're so durable, they're washable, and really, you really would be doing yourself a disservice by either not running the pulp more than once or even more than twice, or using the juice bag, because you would be surprised how much we waste when it comes to juice, you know, and juicing can be costly. Like this juice right here, I literally can drink all of this by myself, but we must share with the family. All right, you see how that pulp has come down to almost nothing. That's kind of how we want it. Okay, look at that. Now some people may ask, well, what are you going to do with the pulp? This is going into the compost pile. Yeah. All right, now that we're done with that, what I'm going to do now is, let's move the juicer out of the way so we have some room here. Okay, so what I have here is I have the lime, and I'm gonna just put the lime juice in there one time. Sometimes if you're eating things too that kind of upset your stomach, or even if you know, are suffering from some level of nausea, adding, like having a juice or a fruit that is more acidic in nature will help to bring balance to the gut, right? So now that we have that done, what we're going to do is we are going to take our passion fruit here. And like I said, passion fruit is an essence. Me personally, I would prefer to replant the seeds than to eat the seeds. You know, some people just eat the passion fruit just like that. I am not one of them. But we're going to take the seeds that have the juicy pulp around them. And it's so interesting because it even looks like an ovary on the inside, you know. Okay, so now we're going to, now that we have all of the 2 passion fruit in there, we're just going to get the juice off of it, off of the seeds as much as possible. This is why making like a passion fruit tonic would be delicious, but it would be time consuming, and it would be, I'm gonna actually use a spatula. That'd probably be better. All right. Yum, yum, yum. It's already smelling so balancing and delicious. So we have our juice here, and we're just gonna pour a little taste test here. Look at that. How beautiful and green it is. Light green. I would probably even almost call this our green lemonade, right? Because it's gonna have such a little sour kick to it. And you're probably wondering, well, why is she using a funnel to pour? You know, there's a little secret about the Champion juicer that other people may not tell you, is that the collecting cup, it doesn't pour very well. So we don't want to spill any of our precious juice. Let's give this a taste. It's so good. Those green grapes, I would like to have a little bit more mustard greens. I think I would do 2 cups of mustard greens. The lime is really just energizing, and I would like probably to add some cilantro to it. But that passion fruit is like the real little secret behind it. Please look at the recipe by swiping left. Make sure that you check out my Instagram page. If you like it, follow, comment on some videos, and also definitely hit that subscribe button on YouTube. And yeah, till then, enjoy your living life, not a style. I'm Chef India Camiel signing off. Visit our website as well, backtolivechefIndia.com.